Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact GroupMe's customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to Microsoft.com. And now once you're here, you want to click on the search button on the top left hand corner of the page. And you want to type in GroupMe customer services ? So now search for that. And then what you want to do is click onto this link here, how do I contact GroupMe customer service. So now we're on their page, and now scroll down a bit, and then as you can see they got chat support hours here, and then from here make sure to click on contact us between those hours. And now please answer below questions. So you need to put in your full name, your GroupMe account, phone number or email address, and description of a problem, and then click on submit. I'll quickly fill that out now. Alright, so I've filled this out. I'll put in my name, email address and description of the problem. Just say I would like to speak to GroupMe customer service and go ahead and click on submit.